In 2025, while the world reacted to change, Callan JMB was already executing. We spent this year turning vision into measurable progress. From innovations in pharmaceutical infrastructure to expansion into new global sectors, we didn't just keep pace with the market, we led it. The theme of 2025 was clear. Readiness isn't just a response to crisis. It is the daily operating fabric of a resilient nation. And for Callan JMB, it is the foundation of our growth. This year, the White House's push for a Strategic Active Pharmaceutical Ingredients Reserve, or SAPIR, validated the work we've been doing for decades. We moved immediately to secure that future. By launching Callan JMB services in Pune, India, we expanded our global footprint to guarantee the integrity of the supply chain. We are now connecting international sourcing directly to domestic security, ensuring American preparedness never relies on chance. Growth requires the right partners. In May, we joined forces with Revival Health, combining our logistics precision with their wellness infrastructure. Together, we are building a network that sustains communities before, during, and after disruption. But infrastructure needs intelligence. That's why we upgraded Sentry, our proprietary asset tracking platform. In 2025, data is the lifeline of readiness. Sentry now provides real-time visibility across vaccines and essential pharmaceuticals, ensuring our clients know exactly where their assets are every second of the day. Perhaps our most pivotal leap this year was evolving from a logistics partner into an infrastructure enabler. We entered a groundbreaking collaboration to integrate oral drug delivery manufacturing into our Texas cGMP facility. We are no longer just storing finished products. We are now facilitating the creation of fast-dissolving oral medicines. This moves Callan JMB up the value chain, combining our operational backbone with breakthrough technology to capture new opportunities in the healthcare market. We even took our expertise into new verticals. By applying our closed-loop logistics model to the food sampling sector and partnering with KeyChain, we're helping brands replace waste with sustainability. None of this happens without leadership. Under the guidance of CEO Wayne Williams and our seasoned executive team, we have maintained military precision while driving aggressive commercial growth. Since our founding, Callan JMB has operated on one unshakable principle. Readiness is not a response, it's a responsibility. We've never waited for change to prove our value. From day one, our role has spanned the full continuum of national and global resilience. We are a logistics provider and an infrastructure partner, a project executor and a systems builder, a trusted national partner and a global readiness leader. These aren't new titles, they're the foundation of who we've always been. Our mission has remained steady through decades of shifting priorities and emerging challenges. Deliver reliability, design resilience, and drive results that last. As we move into 2026, that same dependability continues to define us, proven in the field, trusted by our partners, and built for whatever comes next. Because preparedness isn't a project, it's a posture. And Callan JMB has always been built to lead it.